Get noticed in this 2011 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.